Let me ask our parents and teachers who are here, have you seen the movie of Alden and Catherine, the Hello, Love, Goodbye, the part 1? Have you seen that? I love that not because of the love story, but because of the sad truth of our OFWs and domestic helpers. Sad truth. And indeed, Joy, the female character, said to Ethan, the male character, mabuti pa yung ibang tao na hindi natin kilala, sila pa yung nakikinig. Do you agree? Mabuti pa yung ibang tao na hindi natin kilala, sila pa yung nakikinig. Well, that's true. That's what happened in the gospel today. Much was expected from the Jews during Jesus' time because they were the ones who considered themselves the chosen people of God. They had the Bible with them containing the presence of God with their ancestors, Abraham, Moses, David, and all the prophets. But you know what? They were the ones who were stubborn, hard-hearted, self-righteous, condemning, judgmental. And that was why in the gospel, Jesus appreciated the non-Jews, strangers, but they were the ones who listened to Jesus, who listened to God and the prophets, who changed their lives. You know what? One of the reasons why I made a Facebook page, Father Dags, it's for the OFWs who do not have the opportunity to attend Mass. You know what? 60 to 70% who are following me in my Facebook page are OFWs and seafarers. Beautiful. 60 to 70%. Seafarers, OFWs, domestic helpers, and many of them send a message, Father, I miss Mass. We don't have Mass here in Saudi. Father, how I wish to attend Mass. We don't have Mass here in the communist country. Seafarers also, Father, pag nagka-signal ako, I watch your videos kasi we don't have Masses for many months. And there was a bishop in his homily who shared na there was an OFW who went home after 5 years who attended the 5 Masses on a Sunday. She attended all the 5 Masses on a Sunday because she missed Mass. So how about you and me? The question is, how about you and me? Araw-araw ang misa natin dito. Do we have that same love that the OFWs have for the Mass? Or baka wala na lang kasi araw-araw nagiging routine na lang, nagiging function na lang. Hala, sige, please ask the question. Do we have that same love that the OFWs have for the Mass? Na pag umuwi sila, they attend all the Masses kasi they miss the Mass. They love the Mass. Or wala na lang. Naging routine and function na lang kasi araw-araw naman casual na lang yung misa.